In this video, I'm gonna just break it down to you simple and easy, and this works. You know the reason why they tell you drink water, it helps your weight loss. Have lots of cucumber is made up of 70% water. It helps your weight loss and all of those things. They're trying to keep your belly full, but what I'm about to say right now, it's going to sound not entirely different from what you've heard before, but this is what works for me, and I want you to apply it. It's easy. It starts from the moment you go into the store and you pick a bottle or you pick a pack or anything. Look for the fiber content on the part where you have the nutritional facts. Look for the fiber content. Once once you have this figured out, high fiber content in your body, so you can eat as much as you want of anything, as long as you have that high fiber content, high fiber in it, you can get away with it. And for fiber to be processed in your body, you need water. So yes, we have water coming in again. So if I'm having beans or chickpeas with lots of fiber, I'm having lots of water as well to go with it. So I feel full, but that's just not the point. It doesn't stop there. When you eat all of this food with carbohydrates, like lots of carbs in those things that you're eating, I'm not even worried about calories. I'm worried about, oh my God, how are you going to pass that out? So sandwich is a no-no for me. Whole wheat bread, yes. Stuff made of whole wheat, yes, because it's high in fiber. And then when you're having all of those carbs, I'm really wondering, how do you pass that out? So a lot of my friends who have lived with me for some times, they have noticed that, oh, you have a very regular or healthy metabolism. Now that's the point. Fiber makes this life easy. I just don't want to gross you out in this video, but this is just the truth. High fiber, more water, more toilet. You don't get to store stuff in your body. That means even if you're having a hamburger, you should make sure that by the side you have like maybe chickpeas or lots of beans, just something that is high in fiber, and then take water down with it, and then chill and move around, do whatever you want to do. Then when you go to pass that stool, it comes out like easy, and you're out with a flat tummy, especially in the morning. Ensure you have water. It's not just good for your weight loss, it's also good for your skin, for your hair, your nails, your eyes, your everything, your everywhere just smells fresh. So just keep having water, not because it's an obligation, but because it's good for you. And then when you need to go, do not try to hold it back, okay? Do not try to hold back that thing that should lay aside every weight that easily, besets you. Don't try to keep that thing in. Let it go. Let it go. And fiber helps to let this go easily. So this video is basically just about fiber and water. And trust me, just try this. I'm not gonna say try this for 5 days and see how it goes. This is a lifestyle, but try it at first for 2 days and let me see how it goes. It can't be too far. Watch the video, try for 2 days, come back, type a comment. I'll be waiting. I'm wishing you all the best. I love you guys so much. Bye.